रोज बोले जाने वाले वाक्य। डेली यूज सेंटेंसेस। डेली यूज सेंटेंसेस। एक सितारा बनाएं। ड्रॉ अ स्टार। ड्रॉ अ स्टार। टोकरी में एक संतरा था। There was an orange in the basket. There was an orange in the basket. एक बड़े समुद्र को महासागर कहा जाता है। A big sea is called an ocean. A big sea is called an ocean. मैं अपने पसंदीदा जानवर के बारे में बात करने जा रहा हूँ। I am going to talk about my favorite animal. I am going to talk about my favorite animal. एक खरगोश जंगल में उछल कूद कर रहा था। A hare was hopping about in a jungle. A hare was hopping about in a jungle. उस पेड़ पर लगभग 50 नींबू हैं। There are about 50 lemons on that tree. There are about 50 lemons on that tree. वो लगभग 6 बजे आया। He came at about 6. He came at about 6. ऊपर आसमान और नीचे जमीन। The sky above and the ground below. The sky above and the ground below. आज कितने बच्चे अनुपस्थित हैं? How many children are absent today? How many children are absent today? मुख्य सड़क पर एक दुर्घटना हुई। There was an accident on the main road. There was an accident on the main road. वह छोटे लड़के को सड़क पार ले गई। She took the little boy across the road. She took the little boy across the road. सुनो और कार्य करो। Listen and act. Listen and act. पिछले साल उसने स्कूल नाटक में अभिनय किया था। She acted in the school play last year. She acted in the school play last year. ध्यान से सुने और वो चित्र ढूंढे जो क्रिया को दर्शाता हो। Listen carefully and find picture that shows the action. Listen carefully and find picture that shows the action. एक चम्मच चीनी डालें। Add a spoonful of sugar. Add a spoonful of sugar. सूची में 3 और शब्द जोड़ें। Add 3 more words to the list. Add 3 more words to the list. यदि आप 2 और 3 जोड़ते हैं तो आपको 5 प्राप्त होता है। You get 5 if you add 2 and 3. You get 5 if you add 2 and 3. कार्ड पर अपना नाम और पता लिखें। Write your name and address on the card. Write your name and address on the card. अखबार में कई विज्ञापन थे। There were many advertisements in the newspaper. There were many advertisements in the newspaper. हमने आकाश में एक हवाई जहाज उड़ते देखा। We saw an aeroplane flying in the sky. We saw an aeroplane flying in the sky. मैं कुत्तों से नहीं डरता। I am not afraid of dogs. I am not afraid of dogs. कुछ समय बाद उसने दिग्गजों को देखा। After some time, he saw the giants. After some time, he saw the giants. शिक्षक के बाद जोर से पढ़ें। Read aloud after the teacher. Read aloud after the teacher. अक्षर C, B के बाद आता है। The letter C comes after B. The letter C comes after B. बिल्ली चूहे के पीछे भागी। The cat ran after the mouse. The cat ran after the mouse. दोपहर में बहुत गर्मी थी। It was very hot in the afternoon. It was very hot in the afternoon. हम बाद में वहां जाएंगे। We will go there afterwards. We will go there afterwards. बारिश बारिश फिर से आओ। Rain rain come again. Rain rain come again. बार बार, again and again, again and again. हमारी टीम उनकी टीम के खिलाफ खेलेगी। Our team will play against their team. Our team will play against their team. उसने बोर्ड को दीवार के सामने रख दिया। He put the board against the wall. He put the board against the wall. मैं 2 घंटे पहले घर आया हूँ। I came home 2 hours ago. I came home 2 hours ago. लंबे समय पहले। Long long ago. Long long ago. सीधे आगे देखो। Look straight ahead. Look straight ahead. हमारे चारों ओर हवा है। There is air all around us. There is air all around us. एक बार मैंने एक मछली को जिंदा पकड़ा। Once I caught a fish alive. Once I caught a fish alive. वे सभी हंसने लगे। They all started laughing. They all started laughing. उसने सभी अंगूर खाए। She ate up all the grapes. She ate up all the grapes. यह छुट्टी थी, राजू पूरे दिन खेल रहा था। It was holiday, Raju played all day. It was holiday, Raju played all day. गरीब तोता पिंजरे में अकेले था। The poor parrot was alone in the cage. The poor parrot was alone in the cage. यदि आप इस सड़क पर चलते हैं तो आपको एक छोटी सी दुकान दिखाई देगी। You will see a small shop if you walk along this road. You will see a small shop if you walk along this road. और इंजन भी चलता रहता है। And so the engine speeds along. And so the engine speeds along. साथ आओ, come along. Come along. शब्दों को जोर से पढ़ें। Read the words aloud. Read the words aloud. A से Z तक वर्णमाला कहें। Say the letters of the alphabet from A to Z. Say the letters of the alphabet from A to Z. वर्णमाला क्रम, अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर, अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर। मैं हिंदी और अंग्रेजी पढ़ और लिख सकता हूँ। I can read and write Hindi and also English. I can read and write Hindi and also English. पोस्ट बॉक्स में हमेशा कुछ पत्र थे। There were always some letters in the post box. There were always some letters in the post box. मैं पढ़ रहा हूँ। I am reading. I am reading. मैं पतला हूँ। I am thin. I am thin. वो पेड़ों के बीच छिप गया। He hid among the trees. He hid among the trees. फूलों के बीच कुछ गुलाब भी थे। There were some roses among the flowers. There were some roses among the flowers. आपस में बातें मत करो। Don't talk among yourselves. Don't talk among yourselves. सेब को तुम चारों में बांट लो। Divide the apple among all four of you. Divide the apple among all four of you. मैं इस अलमारी में किताबें, कार्ड और चार्ट रखता हूँ। I keep the books, cards and charts in this cupboard. I keep the books, cards and charts in this cupboard. राजा क्रोधित हो गया और उसने चूहे की टोपी ले ली। The king got angry and took the mouse's cap. The king got angry and took the mouse's cap. त्रिभुज में 3 कोण होते हैं। There are 3 angles in a triangle. There are 3 angles in a triangle. क्या आप मुझसे नाराज हैं? Are you angry with me? Are you angry with me? क्रोधित आदमी ने अपना पैर पटका। The angry man stamped his foot. The angry man stamped his foot. इस दुनिया में बहुत सारे पौधे और जानवर हैं। There are many plants and animals in this world. There are many plants and animals in this world. सड़क पर पानी मेरे टखनों तक आ गया। The water on the street came up to my ankles. The water on the street came up to my ankles. हम एक और खेल खेलेंगे। We will play another game. We will play another game. उसने मेरे प्रश्न का उत्तर दिया। He answered my question. He answered my question. ध्यानपूर्वक सुने और उत्तर लिखें। Listen carefully and write the answer. Listen carefully and write the answer. चींटियां बहुत मेहनत करती हैं। Ants work very hard. Ants work very hard. तितली ने अपने एंटेना हिलाए। The butterfly shook its antennas. The butterfly shook its antennas. टीवी के एंटीना पर एक पक्षी बैठा था। There was a bird sitting on the TV antenna. There was a bird sitting on the TV antenna. आप कोई भी अक्षर चुन सकते हैं। You can choose any letter. You can choose any letter. कोई भी कविता कहो। Say any poem. Say any poem. क्या आपके पास उलन है? Have you any wool? Have you any wool? क्या आपके पास कोई कंचा है? Have you got any marbles? Have you got any marbles? मेरे पास कोई पैसा नहीं है। I don't have any money. I don't have any money. उसके पास कोई पेंसिल नहीं थी। He didn't have any pencils. He didn't have any pencils. क्या अंदर कोई है? Is there anybody inside? Is there anybody inside? क्या किसी को इसका उत्तर मालूम है? Does anybody know the answer? Does anybody know the answer? क्या किसी ने मेरी मदद की? Did anybody help me? Did anybody help me? कोई भी वहां जा सकता है। Anybody can go there. Anybody can go there. किसी को भी मत चिकोटी काटो। Don't pinch anybody. Don't pinch anybody. आप कुछ भी चित्रित कर सकते हैं। You can draw anything. You can draw anything. लेकिन मैंने कुछ नहीं किया। But I didn't do anything. But I didn't do anything. हाथी अपनी सूंड में पानी भरकर कहीं भी फेंक सकता है। An elephant can shoot the water in its trunk anywhere. An elephant can shoot the water in its trunk anywhere. बंसी ने लाल रसदार सेब खरीदे। Bansi bought red juicy apples. Bansi bought red juicy apples. हम पिकनिक पर जा रहे हैं। We are going on picnic. We are going on picnic. आप क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing? What are you doing? वे खेल रहे हैं। They are playing. They are playing. अपनी बाहें मुड़ाएं। Fold your arms. Fold your arms. उसका भाई सेना में है। Her brother is in the army. Her brother is in the army. पेड़ के चारों ओर दौड़ो। Run around the tree. Run around the tree. मुड़ो। Turn around. Turn around. वो मेहमानों को स्कूल घुमाने ले गई। She took the guests around the school. She took the guests around the school. आसपास कोई नहीं था। There was no one around. There was no one around. पुस्तकों को शेल्फ पर व्यवस्थित करें। Arrange the books on the shelf. Arrange the books on the shelf. तीर के दूसरे सिरे पर 6 पंख थे। The arrow had 6 feathers at the other end. The arrow had 6 feathers at the other end. चित्रकारी एक कला है। Drawing is an art. Drawing is an art. हमारे शिक्षक एक अच्छे कलाकार हैं। Our teacher is a good artist. Our teacher is a good artist. मेरी बात मानो। Do as I say. Do as I say. जितनी जल्दी तुम कर सको। As fast as you can. As fast as you can. जितना संभव हो सके उतने शब्द ढूंढें। Find as many words as you can. Find as many words as you can. घास की तरह हरा। Green as grass. Green as grass. पंख के समान कोमल। As gentle as a feather. As gentle as a feather. एक मित्र के रूप में आपको उसकी मदद करनी चाहिए। As a friend, you should help her. As a friend, you should help her. बच्चों को सवाल पूछना पसंद था। The children like to ask questions. The children like to ask questions. आप क्या मांगोगे? What will you ask for? What will you ask for? आलसी मैरी गहरी नींद में सो रही थी। Lazy Mary was fast asleep. Lazy Mary was fast asleep. पीछे एक छोटा सा आंगन है। There is a small yard at the back. There is a small yard at the back. चांद को देखें। Look at the moon. Look at the moon. उसने दिग्गजों पर पत्थर फेंके। He threw stones at the giants. He threw stones at the giants. मैं 7.30 बजे उठता हूँ। I get up at 7.30. I get up at 7.30. हम दिवाली पर नए कपड़े खरीदते हैं। We buy new clothes at Diwali. We buy new clothes at Diwali. मैंने केले ₹1 प्रति के हिसाब से खरीदे। I bought the bananas at ₹1 each. I bought the bananas at ₹1 each. उसने कार 80 किलोमीटर की गति से चलाई। She drove the car at the speed of 80 kilometers. She drove the car at the speed of 80 kilometers. एक एक करके बोले। Speak one at a time. Speak one at a time. बाघ ने भैंस पर हमला किया। The tiger attacked the buffalo. The tiger attacked the buffalo. सब लोग ध्यान दें। Pay attention everybody. Pay attention everybody. सावधान। Attention. Attention. मेरी चाची को बहुत सी कहानियां पता है। My aunt knows many stories. My aunt knows many stories. क्या बच्चा जाग रहा है? Is the baby awake? Is the baby awake? छोटा पक्षी उड़ गया। The little bird flew away. The little bird flew away. अस्पताल 2 किलोमीटर दूर था। The hospital was 2 kilometers away. The hospital was 2 kilometers away. दिवाली बस एक सप्ताह दूर है। Diwali is just 1 week away. Diwali is just 1 week away. उसने कुल्हाड़ी से लट्ठे को काटा। He cut the log with an axe. He cut the log with an axe.